I was checking out Reddit and I saw a tweet that's saying that there is a new AI ID which is better than Cursor. Is it? That's a bold claim. So let's test it into a real project. So the AI ID I'm talking about is Qoder. It's just launched by Alibaba and it's getting a lot of popularity because of its features and lot of generous offers. So let's see this one. So Agentic code platform for real software. So you can download the Qoder by clicking on download. Before that, let's look at some of the features in the website. The quest mode is a feature in Qoder that allows you to plan asynchronously. When the Qoder is running, you can plan other things and give it to the agent. Scroll down and we can see some more things. So let us see some of the features, like there is always. So one more feature of Qoder is that it always uses the best model. So it has tab completion, it has compressive context, and it also has a feature to generate documentation for your architecture for your existing projects. And you can also create memories and rules. You can also add a lot of MCPs here, and you can also have inline chats. So these are some of the features of Qoder. So let's download it, and I've already downloaded and set it up on my laptop, but you can download it here and you can just open. So the AI editor looks something like this. When you see it for the first time, you feel it's similar to any other editor out there. So it's simple to use. Just click on this one and you can toggle the AI sidebar and you can open any folder to write the prompt. So before writing the prompt, I want to show you some settings here. So you can go here, user settings, and click on Qoder settings. So here you can see and add settings. So these are the general settings. You can also enable, disable code completion. You can play with the chat. You can enable or disable quest mode. You can also add MCP. I've already added context 7 MCP. So it's a popular MCP. It's used by everyone right now. If you want documentation, latest documentation for your projects, then context 7 is the MCP you should go for. You can also add rules, and you have some advanced settings here, a lot of things, but I will close it for now. So let's try to build a landing page using Qoder. So I'll paste a prompt, something like this. I'll build a Next.js landing page for selling my Shopify service using ChatCN. And I will also use context 7 MCP to make sure I get the latest docs. So this is very helpful. So when you use context 7 MCP, the code generation becomes a lot more faster. So consider using in all the AI editors out there. So let me try this and press enter. So when it's generating the code, you can parallelly plan other tasks. You can go to quest and you can click on new task and you can start planning. You can select execute directly, or you can select write spec first. I will select this one and I want to add a pricing screen. Add pricing screen to the landing page. And I'll press enter. So it will start creating a spec file. It's creating a spec file for me. I can parallelly create multiple spec files like this. And once it generates, I can click on start now to generate the code, which is really helpful to do multitasking. So if you want to click on start now, make sure that you set up Git. So I'll set up Git. I'll say Git init and Git add, and I'll say Git commit. Initial commit. Now let me see which branch I'm in. So I'm in the main branch. And now what I can do is I can go to this quest and I can select this. I can click start now. So it will parallelly do this task as well. So you can see here the AI editor is also running and it's running this quest also, which is actually great. You are doing two tasks parallelly. If you want to add more tasks, you can do this by clicking add more task, and you can again plan it. If you want to directly run, you can click on execute directly and start writing the prompt. You can do multiple tasks at once. So this feature is a game changer. So it makes your life very simple. So make sure to use this. So this Repo Wiki is a new feature in Qoder that allows you to create documentation or architecture for your project. So if you click on generate, it will give you the full complete wiki of your project. So it's like a Wikipedia for your complete project in English. So this is a great feature if you want to give this to other AI editors, or you can, if you want to plan the task perfectly. So I'll not click on generate because it will take like 10 minutes, but you can try this feature. So that's the things you can do with this editor. So let me see what it will generate, and parallelly let me see this one. So it's generating the pricing screen and this screen as well. So it has created a pretty good landing page using Saxion. So it has created also the pricing screen, which is actually great, and even the reviews. The design looks similar to what Claude would have generated for us, but I can see that the generation was really fast and it was pretty good. It has generated me hero section, the services, pricing, reviews, contact, and footer. It was a great one. I think Coder is a nice IDE to try. And if you look at the pricing, so right now they are giving a 2 week free trial with 1,000 credits, which is actually generous. And for $20, they're offering 2,000 credits, which is actually great. I don't know how does the credit work. So I've generated many codes in Coder in last 3 days, but I didn't face any rate limiting. I think it's a quite generous offer for $0, and you can also pay $20 for the Pro. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you in the next video.